Okay guys, this is the other guy again. So this is what I did. I bought this Predator 4000 about a year ago, and it still runs and everything like that. I've been taking it out camping with us, and what I discovered was that eventually, after using it for over a season, my breaker here started popping whenever I used the microwave. This thing is rated at 13 amp, and so being that it started popping, I decided to upgrade the breaker there. And basically what it is I would plug it into here. What I noticed is that this plug here, although this plug here is rated at 30 amp, see this, it says 13 amp maximum. It only allows me to use 13 amps through this plug. And basically what I found here is that these two breakers here, when they were 13 amps, they're linked to this plug here. And so 13 plus 13, you get 28 amps, a maximum load. So what I found out is that whenever I use the microwave or the air conditioning on my RV through this plug here, this one right here, the breaker over here keeps resetting. So I would have to come and press the reset button here or here. And so what it is it was becoming irritating to me, so I decided to buy to upgrade the amperage on that reset breaker. So what I did was I bought this new breaker. It's rated at 20 amp each, so I have 1, 2 installed down there. And so because I've installed it, now this thing should hold, it should not reset again when I use my microwave or my air conditioning. So basically it's a pretty basic switch in, switch out, installation. I bought a lot of 3 of these little breaker here from eBay for 11 bucks. So it's a plug-in, plug-in and connect a switch. So I've already done the switch here. I replaced the old switch, which were rated at 13 amps per switch. Now they're rated at 20 amps per switch. And I know that some people might not like the way I'm setting this up, because I know that a lot of people will think that this will equate to me burning something inside the generator, because more amperage will be coming through, traveling through these wires here. But hey, this is mine. It's my little gizmo. So if it dies, I'll just buy a new one. It's a Harbor Freight anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna go and test it out and see if I have any issues with it. Okay, let me reinstall the panel here. Like I said, nothing's wrong with this. It's just that I'm upgrading the amperage. So right now, it should, at 40 amps, it should hold, and I should be able to run the air conditioning without any problem, or the microwave without any problem. Okay, let me put this thing, let me install this thing, and then I'll show you how it looks like, or how it runs like when I turn it on and plug into my RV. Okay, so I've got this thing turned on, and I'm gonna plug this thing in. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It's plugged in. kind of low on fuel. It's kind of low on fuel. That's why it's coming like that. Let's see. Okay. So let's go test it anyway. So we went camping. It keeps on popping. Excuse the mess. It's not about the mess I'm trying to show you. So let's. Okay, so that's 3 minutes. Microwave is on. All right, and let's. I don't think this will work. Oh, that's too much amperage. You can hear the. Let's turn this thing off right now. Okay. So it was. Okay, so the last time my wife cooked stuff in the microwave, it kept popping the breaker on the generator. So this time it's not doing it anymore, which is good. Okay, so that's good. Let's stop. Okay, you can hear the difference in the generator. Okay, let's turn this to air conditioning. Okay. Cool. All right. Okay. Okay. Let me put this on hold. The reason why is because once you mess with this, it takes about 5 minutes for it to reset the system in here. So let me put this on hold. Okay, so the air conditioner just came on right now. Okay, and you can hear the difference when it came on. So I'm gonna wait here to see if it cools down. It's blowing. You can see, you can hear that. Okay, so that goes. Let's go outside and take a look at the generator. So as you can see, the generator's humming along, and it's running okay. So it should be okay from now on. Let's go back inside. So now, because I added the two 20 amp breaker switch for each now that I've added the two 20 amp breaker switch, it's actually running on 40 amps maximum. So yeah, actually it's getting cool right now. The inside of the RV is cool. So let's close the vents here, and you can feel the cool air coming in from the registers here. Now, I just want to let you know that doing this to your generator will void the warranty, okay? And if you look at here, it explicitly says that it explicitly tells you right there, do not exceed 26 amp total, okay, total max. But hey, you know, it's a Harbor Freight Predator 4000. If it breaks, it's only about $2.99. I'll just go get another one or throw this one away and go get a Honda. So that's that, guys. Thanks for watching.